Hi everybody, I just want to tell you about my new tutorial, 5 Christmas cards from production to print. So there'll be 5 tutorials, about half an hour long each one showing you how to produce a Christmas card from start to finish. Simple ideas, new techniques, jazzy designs. So I will talk you through from the very beginning how to set up, where to buy your cards, what you can paint them onto, things like that, all the way through to how to print them off, where to go to get them printed and all that sort of thing. So there'll be lots of guidance, and hopefully by the end of it you'll have 5 individual designs which you can then print multiples of and then give them out to all your friends and family. Original cards, I mean, what more could somebody want for a Christmas card this year especially? A little bit of personal contact, which will be lovely. So the reason why I'm doing it now is because you're going to need some time to produce them. So I'm sorry it's a bit early, some people don't even want to be talking about Christmas, but to give yourself enough time to produce the cards, you need to start doing it now. So if you're interested, it's £25 for the 5 tutorials, and you'll get them sent to you via your email. They're all on YouTube, so you can view them at any time. I'll send you the links so that you can get into them because they're locked tutorials. It's a great lockdown present or project for somebody, so if you want to buy it as a gift, then do that. Details are on my website www.juliannesheridan.co.uk, or you can just contact me via my email, which is sheridanjulianne@gmail.com. So if you want to book, get in touch, or if you want more information, get in touch. If you want more details on how I dressed myself up today, then get in touch. Okay, and I hope you fancy it. I've had a few bookings already. So I should show you some, shouldn't I? So there's one, and then I've got a really lovely Christmas tree design. So there's a couple there, just to give you a bit of a taster. But there are 5 different ones, and I also give you ideas on how to vary them. So you could end up with a whole batch of different cards if you wanted. Alright, get in touch and see what you can do as a special gift for Christmas. See you later.